Welcome to today's adventure. In this vlog, we'll be traveling from the lakeside town of Talisay Batangas all the way up to the cool and scenic heights of Tagaytay. Our journey begins at Junction Banga, following the winding and picturesque Ligaya Drive, a well-known route that offers breathtaking views of Taal Lake and the surrounding landscapes. As we move along this route, you'll see the actual path leading up from Talisay to Tagaytay, experiencing the steep inclines, sharp curves, and stunning roadside scenery. This drive is a favorite among travelers for its mix of adventure and natural beauty, making it one of the most scenic routes to Tagaytay. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Whether you're planning your next trip or just love exploring new places, this vlog will give you a real-time look at the road that connects Talisay to Tagaytay. Let's get started.
Everybody get down when the beat drops.
Ligaya Drive was constructed during the American colonial period in the early 20th century as part of infrastructure improvements in the Philippines. It was designed to provide an alternative route to Tagaytay, which was already gaining popularity as a cool mountain retreat. The name Ligaya translates to joy or happiness in Filipino, reflecting the delight travelers feel when experiencing its stunning views and tranquil atmosphere. During World War II, the road served as a strategic route for local forces and civilians due to its relative obscurity and accessibility. Today, Ligaya Drive continues to charm visitors with its natural beauty and historical significance, offering a unique journey through the heart of the Philippines' volcanic landscapes. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or adventure seeker, this road promises an unforgettable experience.
Drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Well, that's a wrap for today's adventure on Ligaya Drive. If you've already been driving down this road of fun and excitement, don't forget to hit that like button, comment your favorite part of the vlog, and subscribe for more adventures. Oh, and follow along so you never miss a ride with us. Stay tuned because there's always another journey waiting just around the corner. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and let's keep driving toward new adventures together. See you on the next vlog.